Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and I am unboxing the Ningxia Premium Starter Kit with Young Living. There are several options of starter kits with Young Living that gets you into the membership, gets you a 24% discount for life. And this is the Ningxia one. My husband actually bought this. He wanted to become a member, and because we both love Ningxia, we thought this one would be good. And we've been out of Ningxia for a couple weeks. The lighting is terrible right now to film, but I need to get it done so that I can have a Ningxia drink. Okay, first of all, it comes with 2 of these big bottles of Ningxia. This is what we usually buy. So if you're not familiar, Ningxia is an antioxidant puree. You drink 1 or 2 ounces. Phil, my husband, likes to just drink it like a shot alone. I like to put it in sparkling water with like some lemon vitality added. So there's that. We feel so good after we drink it. Like, I feel instantly amazing and healthy. It's crazy. So like I said, it is fully packed with antioxidants. I think a lot of us have heard of wolfberries. Ningxia is kind of a special wolfberry. It's grown in the Ningxia region of China. The founder loved to study different areas where the people had long and healthy lives, and Ningxia is one of those places. They grow these special wolfberries with an even higher amount of antioxidants. And not only that, but it's packed with like cherries and blueberries and other fruit with high antioxidants, as well as some essential oils, which he found helps you absorb everything easier. I consider this part of my supplement routine. Kind of like I take a multivitamin and I take Ningxia every day, and it is so good. It also comes with a box full of these packets, 2 ounces per packet. So it's the same thing, but they're individually wrapped. 2 of these come in most of the premium starter kits as samples. I would pop these in the fridge right away. They're sealed, so they don't need to be refrigerated, but they taste so much better, in my opinion, when they're refrigerated. These you can store in your cabinet until you open them, then store it in the fridge until you're finished. I've never bought these. I just like to be mindful of waste, but when we travel, I miss my Ningxia so much. So I'm gonna try to hoard these and only use them for when we're out of town. We have spring break coming up, and I cannot wait to have my Ningxia while we're on the road. This also comes with a box of nitro. I think there are 14 of these in there. I've never tried this. I believe this is supposed to be like a 4-hour energy supplement. So you just take it in like a shot. And let's see. It does have caffeine in it, obviously, but it is from green tea. So it's just a lot more healthy, like a lot more healthy. It has the Ningxia in it, green tea, mulberry leaf tea, Korean ginseng root, some vanilla, some chocolate bean oil, spearmint, peppermint, nutmeg, whole fruit oil, black pepper, and the wolfberry. I'm definitely excited to try this, but I think Philip will really like it. He has been known to get a 4-hour energy every so often, so this is way healthier for him. All right, they package so well. This comes with a lot of the premium starter kits, some pretty packaging. What was in here? A little brochure with some education. Oh, so 2 more of these Ningxia. Like I said, 2 usually come in the starter kits. So we have a ton of these now. Thieves Mints. I've never tried these. I am so excited. I love everything in their Thieves line, so I know I'm gonna love these. Some Thieves sanitizer. I love this stuff. I have one in my car, in my diaper bag, in my purse. It is so good for on the go, and conventional sanitizer is horrible. It's drying for your skin. It's bad for your hormones, bad for your immune system. And this not only will help get nasty germs away, but it's actually good for immune system because it gives that thieves into your body. And then even a 5 ml of an oil. This is Stress Away. I'm actually out of this. I'm gonna steal this even though Phil technically bought it. And it comes with a roller top. I put roller tops on my Stress Aways because it can go directly on your skin. It smells like vacation in a bottle, and I use this as a perfume. This is one of the oils that is with me at all times in my purse. I have a little bag full of some goodies, and Thieves is one of them. Hand sanitizer is one of them, along with my other go-tos. It comes with a really beautiful magazine and a product guide. This is beautiful. Tells you about all the things. Love it. And then lastly, he opted into Essential Rewards, which is their program that rewards you for placing an order every month. I have a whole video that I recently did explaining that. And so he got a free oil this month plus a $10 credit to spend at another time. And this month in February 2020, it is Cedarwood, a 15 ml. I love this oil so much. I've been telling everyone lately that it's my second all-time favorite oil. For now, it changes. I love this and I use this multiple times every day. I diffuse it every night for sleep support, often with lavender. I have a sleepy roller that I just roll everywhere before I sleep, and I just think it smells so great. I am so happy we have another bottle of Cedarwood. So that's everything. I'm gonna go make my Ningxia soda water, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'd love to help you get started with Ningxia, with oils, with Young Living. I have a link in my description, or you can message me on Instagram. My handle is @takecaremama. Bye guys.